Less communication, the better. Understand? Yeah. Yeah, it sounds like you got what you wanted and ready to take it on. Got what I wanted. Lady, we're no way close to that. Take this next left.